To begin this install, I first laid my piece of quarter round that I'm going to be using aligned with the wall, and I'm going to mark it to cut at a 45-degree angle. Since this piece is this corner is 90-degree angle, I'm cutting each piece at 45 degrees, so when they come together they align perfectly. So I'm drawing this out to the left, that you can see this coming out to the left, and then this angle is I'm gonna cut it towards the right. So you'll see what I'm saying once I cut the pieces, but yeah, I'm kind of just showing you which way I'm going. So this one is where I'm cutting. I used the miter saw and I just angled it at a 45-degree angle and made those cuts. So right here, I'm just turning my miter saw to the other side at a 45-degree angle, and this is just to make those cuts that were in the opposite direction than the ones that were in the first. So you can see I line it up perfectly with the edge, and make that cut. So here it goes. You can see what I was talking about. It aligns perfectly. Okay, so now I'm taking my finished nail gun attached to an air compressor, and I'm using 2-inch nails and putting these nails in every few inches to get a tight install on the quarter round. This shouldn't move. It's going to be really tight unless you're taking it out. So once you're finished installing the nails and putting the nails into the quarter round, you want to use some caulking to cover up those nails because they're going to be a different color than the quarter round. So I use caulking and then I paint it over white. So that's it for this video. It was pretty short, but this is pretty much easy installation. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. But thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel